Hello, let us solve for x and y in this simultaneous equation. X plus y is equal to 2. We'll call this equation 1. And xy is equal to 48. We'll call this equation 2. Our solution. From the first equation, x plus y equals to 2, I can make y the subject of the formula to get 2 minus x. And then into equation 2, I can substitute the new value of y to get x into 2 minus x is equal to 48. Let us expand this bracket. We have 2x minus x squared is equal to 48. This is saying negative x squared plus 2x. Then if I transfer 48 to the left hand side, I'll have minus 48 is equal to 0. Now, because the coefficient of x squared here is negative, I can divide through by negative 1. So that this becomes positive, I have x squared. Then this becomes negative, I have negative or minus 2x. Then minus here becomes positive, I have 48 is equal to 0. This gives us a quadratic equation. And to solve for x, the quadratic equation or the quadratic formula says negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Let us substitute these values into this formula. This will be minus 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared is minus 2 squared minus 4. A is 1 and c is 48. The square root of that divided by 2 times a is 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 192. Then divided by 2. X is equal to 2 plus or minus. Then this should be negative 188 divided by 2. Now, the square root of negative 188, I'm going to quickly do a long division here. Negative 188. So 188 divided by 2 gives me 94. And then 2 here is 447. Nothing else goes. Therefore, x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 times negative 47, then divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus, that will be 2 root negative 47 over 2. We can separate this into x is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 roots negative 47 divided by 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 47 in the square root. of negative 1 times 47, which is equivalent to square root of 47 times square root of negative 1. Square root of negative 1 is simply I, and then it means this is equal to root 47 I. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 47 I. And we can also separate this into two different values, given as x1 is equal to 1 plus root 47 I, and x2 is equal to 1 minus root 47 I. Now recall that y is equal to 2 minus x. So for y1, we are going to do 2 minus x1, which is going to be y1 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus root 47 I. So y1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, then minus root 47 I. Similarly, y2 is going to be 2 minus x2. So y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus root 47 I. So y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, minus times minus is plus, and then we have root 47 I. So our four values for this problem, we say x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 plus root 47 I. y1 is 1 minus root 47 I. And then x2 y2 is equal to 1 minus root 47 I, and then y2 is 1 plus root 47 I. And these are the four values of this problem. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.